remarkable day of India as it is known as National Technology Day. Today, Kim Public Schools students celebrating National Technology Day. Myself Lakshmi, computer teacher, I am going to tell you about this day. India launched 3 successful projects on that day: Operation Shakti, Hansa 3 and Trishul missile. Operation Shakti, in which 5 nuclear tests were performed in Rajasthan's Pokhran by Indian team under the guidance of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Hansa 3. The Nal Hansa was an Indian all-composite low-wing tricycle 2-seater general aviation monoplane for flight training as well as personal flying, designed and built by National Aeroplane Laboratories. Trishul missile, short-range missile launched by DRDO. It can also be used as an anti-sea skimmer from a ship against low-flying attacking missiles. Its operation range was 9 km, weight 130 kg, length 3.1 meter. The celebration aims to highlight the achievements of India as it became the 6th country of that time to join the nuclear club. National Technology Day celebration gives a unique opportunity to thank all the researchers and innovators who have made remarkable contribution in the field of science and technology.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavya from 9th standard. Look at it. What is this? This is a headphone. And what are these? These are toys. The things which I have showed you are just a small part of technology. Almost all things that we see in our surroundings are made with the help of technology. We need technology even if we have to make a small toy. Now we are attending online classes. That is possible only because of technology, with the help of computers, laptops and smartphones. If we take a look in our history, we find that Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman who went in space. She went in the space shuttle Columbia. It is also a technology. Technology also helps in saving our time. Take an example. If we wash clothes by using our hands, it will take a longer time. But if we use washing machine, it helps in saving our time and it will take a shorter time. We can do online shopping also, and technology also provides better skills of communication. We can make a call in foreign also with the help of our smartphones. Okay, let's discuss the special day. Yes, today is National Technology Day. This day is celebrated every year on 11th of May in our country. This day acts as a reminder of our country's technological achievements. This day successfully tested nuclear bomb which was carried on 11th of May 1998. This nuclear test was carried out at Pokhran, a village in Rajasthan. What is the purpose of this day? The purpose of this day is to create awareness about the importance of technology and its impact on civilization. At last, I just want to say, if we use technology in a proper way, then it will lead towards a bright future. But if we use it in excess, it will become danger for us, because excess of anything is harmful.
The student of class 9. It is great pleasure for me that I have been asked to deliver speech on Technology Day. National Technology Day is celebrated all over the country on the 11th day of May as a way to remember the achievement and create awareness and inspire innovation. On this day of 1998, 5 nuclear tests were done under the project name Operation Shakti. Science is not just missiles, it is used in everyday life, and this day celebrates this theme. Technology is found all around us. Mobile phones and airlines are examples of technology. Some aspects of technology may negative consequence. Technology can help to make our life easier. Our life are so different when we have modern technology on our side. Technology has changed the meaning of productivity and our lives will be very much different if we have technology on our
Morning
side.
to all. My name is Maulik and I study in ninth class in KM Public School. Today I am telling you about National Technology Day. National Technology Day is celebrated all over the country on the 11th day of May as a way to remember the achievement and create awareness and inspire innovation. On this day of 1998, 5 nuclear tests were done under the project name Operation Shakti. Science is not just missiles, it is used in everyday life and this day celebrates the same. The celebration aims to highlight the achievement of India as it became the sixth country of that time to join the nuclear club. One of the objectives of National Technology Day is to inspire upcoming generation for higher studies and research in the field of technology. National Technology Day highlights the importance of science in daily life and encourages youngsters to embrace it as a career option. Thank you.
Happy National Technology Day. National Technology Day is observed on 11th May every year in India. It is celebrated every year on 11th May in order to mark the anniversary of the Pokhran nuclear test in 1998. India also performed successful test firing of the Trishul missile on the same day. The celebration aims to highlight the achievement of India as it became the sixth country of that time join the nuclear club.
टेक्नोलॉजी ओ टेक्नोलॉजी कहा तुम हमको ले पहुंची कल तक जो हमने देखे थे सपने हकीकत में तूने बना दिए अपने अब तो ख्वाब देखते लगता है डर कहीं आसमान में न हो अपना घर पहले पत्र हम लिखते थे महीनों रिप्लाई को तरसते थे फिर आया टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना पत्रों का आना जाना स्मार्टफोन ने किया सबको स्मार्ट और भुला दिया सबका इतिहास टेक्नोलॉजी ओ टेक्नोलॉजी कहा तुम हमको ले पहुंची दौर बहुत ही सच्चा था जब हाथ में अखबार ही अच्छा था फिर आया टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना कम हो गया अखबार का आना जाना टेलीविजन ने बदल दिया जमाना जब इंसान ने घर बैठे है देश विदेश को जाना टेक्नोलॉजी को दुरुपयोग से बचाना है इसका सदुपयोग करके अपने जीवन का वरदान बनाना है और इस टेक्नोलॉजी की दुनिया
Hello everyone, I am Aman. I want to discuss about our National Technology Day. The fruitful result of metal churning is called technology. Several technological discoveries were revolutionary for human civilization. Whatever is being discovered under the category of technology should be apolitical and unbiased. Thank you.
टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना आ गया अब तो यार सबके दिल में छा गया पहले पाकिस्तान को ये ला गया जमाने को तेजी से बदल गया बड़ी बीमारियों को इसने दूर कर दिया पल पल में किसी को सूचना कर दिया जीवन के जीने का नया ठिकाना आ गया खुशियों का अब जमाना आ गया टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना आ गया अब तो यार सबके दिल में छा गया थैंक यू
National Technology Day. India has got the prosperous heritage of knowledge. Many scientists, mathematicians, astrologers have contributed their knowledge in the sea of Indian growth. National Technology Day of India is observed on 11 May every year to commemorate the first of the 5 nuclear tests that were carried out on 11 May in 1998. On 11 May in 1998, India successfully tested nuclear bombs in Pokhran. Indigenous aircraft Hansa 3 was test flown at Bangalore on this day. India performed a successful test firing of the Trishul missile on the same day. प्रौद्योगिकी दिवस। राष्ट्रीय प्रौद्योगिकी दिवस की शुरुआत साल 1998 में हुए पोखरण परमाणु टेस्ट से हुई थी। भारत ने साल 1998 में 11 मई के दिन ही अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के कार्यकाल में अपना दूसरा सफल परमाणु परीक्षण किया था। यह परमाणु परीक्षण पोखरण राजस्थान में किया गया था। प्रौद्योगिकी के क्षेत्र में एक बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि प्राप्त होने के उपलक्ष्य में ही राष्ट्रीय प्रौद्योगिकी दिवस मनाया जाता है। भारत में प्रत्येक साल 11 मई को राष्ट्रीय प्रौद्योगिकी दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। यह दिन भारत के विज्ञान में दक्षता एवं प्रौद्योगिकी में विकास को दर्शाता है।
इसे आज मैं टॉपिक लेके आई हूँ टेक्नोलॉजी का। टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ तो हमको ले पहुंची। कल तक जो हमने देखे थे सपने, हकीकत में तूने बना दिए अपने। अब तो ख्वाब देखने से लगता है डर, कहीं आसमान में न हो अपना घर। फिर पहले पत्र हम लिखते थे, महीनों रिप्लाई तरसते थे। फिर आया टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना, बंद हुआ पत्रों का आना जाना। स्मार्टफोन ने किया सबको स्मार्ट और भुला दिया सबका इतिहास। टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ तो हमको ले पहुंची। फिर आया टेक्नोलॉजी का जमाना, कम हो गया अखबार का आना जाना। टेलीविजन ने बदल दिया जमाना, जब इंसान ने घर बैठे देश विदेश को जाना। टेक्नोलॉजी का सदुपयोग करके उसके जीवन को वरदान बनाना है। विज्ञान के माध्यम से इसे मानवता के लिए एक सुंदर उपहार बनाना है। टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ तो हमको ले पहुंची। थैंक यू।
National Technology Day is observed on 11th May every year in India. It is celebrated every year on 11th May in order to mark the anniversary of Pokhran nuclear test in 1988. On this day, India successfully tested Shakti-1 nuclear missile at the Indian Army's Pokhran test range in Rajasthan. The celebration aims to highlight the achievement of India as it becomes the 6th country of that to join the nuclear club. The day also marks the flight of Hansa-3, India's first indigenous aircraft that was flown in Bengaluru. India also performed successful test firing of the Trishul missile on the same day. National Technology Day gives a unique opportunity to thank all the researchers and innovators. Like, Happy Technology Day. Thank you.